Hi, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I promise you're not gonna regret it. So guys, I made this jollof rice, I'll call it party jollof rice, for my family on a Sunday afternoon. Yes, so I would like to show you guys how I made this delicious party jollof rice, smoky party jollof rice. You know what I mean? Yes, so guys, let's get into today's video. We're gonna start off by seasoning our chicken. You can use any chicken part of your choice. Add any seasoning of your choice. As you can see, I added onion, carbonara pepper, thyme, parsley, rosemary. You can definitely use any seasoning of your choice. After that, cover it up, allow it for like 5 minutes to marinate, to absorb all the ingredients. Then you can now start cooking it. Here I have my tomatoes, pepper, garlic, ginger. I'm just gonna put this in the oven and bake it for like about 10 to 15 minutes, and then I'll bring it out and blend it. Here our chicken is cooking very beautifully. Here our chicken is done, so I'm just gonna pop this in the oven tray and then place it in the oven and allow it to dry, until it turns golden brown. Then you know that it is done and perfect. Okay, here the tomato, pepper and all those good stuff are done, so I'm just gonna place this in the blender and blend it to paste. Okay, this is the secret to getting a smoky jollof rice. If you bake your tomato, pepper in the oven and then blend it to paste, it makes your jollof rice to be very smoky and reddish. Try it, guys. It's all well blended and in paste form, but I still felt like it needs to dry a little bit more. Sometimes I just go straight in and use it the way it is, but I just felt to dry it a little bit more. This is the rice we'll be cooking today. It's basmati type of rice. I'm gonna go ahead and wash this rice thoroughly with warm water until all the milky waters are all gone, until it turns from this milky color to white crystal color. Hope you get. Now the tomato and pepper paste are all dried up now, so this is the consistency that I wanted it to be. Here are mostly the ingredients that we'll be using for this jollof rice recipe. Here we have frozen sweet corn and frozen peas. Here I have my chopped carrot and sliced onion. And here we have our paste, tomato and pepper paste. And finally, here we have our meat stock. So let's get started. In a pot, add oil, any oil of your choice, but here I'm using olive oil. When it's fully heated, add your onions and then fry. Now let's add our tomato paste and then mix all of this together. Guys, can you see how reddish this tomato paste is? This is what you get when you bake your tomato and pepper mix and then blend it all together. Yeah, it makes your food very reddish. So we're gonna stir this properly and allow it to marinate together. I do hope that you're enjoying this video so far. If you are, please give it a like. Just hit the like button, comment in the comment box below, subscribe if you're yet to subscribe, okay, and share my videos to your family and friends. Here guys, we're gonna go ahead and then add our spices. You can use any spice of your choice. Yeah, we have parsley here, we have nutmeg, just any spice of your choice, okay. But most importantly, don't forget to add your nutmeg and your bay leaf. These two spices does give your jollof rice a very good flavor. Okay, here we have salt, I've added curry powder, all of those good spices. Yeah, here I have I nearly forgot to to add this Maggi. Yeah, but I later on remembered, so that's why I'm adding it now after I've already mixed everything. Yeah, I just added the seasoning cube here, Maggi. No, yeah, here we have our rice. I've just added rice. I'm just gonna go ahead and mix this thoroughly, okay, until there is no all the white rice are turned red. Yeah. 2 Peter 3 from verse 10 to 11 says that the day of the Lord is like a thief. The earth and the heavens will vanish away. In verse 11 it says that since we know that all of these things here on earth will be destroyed with fire, what kind of life should we live here in our conversations, in our relationship, in everything that we do? Think about it, friends. As you can see, guys, it's all thoroughly properly mixed. Yeah, so here we have our chicken stock, and I rinsed my blender to get everything, to get all the tomatoes. Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and pour all of those in there and then mix it well. Add a little bit of water, yeah, so that we'll have enough water to cook this, because I don't like opening my pot when I'm cooking my jollof rice. I just add enough water. Here we have our bay leaf, the one I spoke to you guys earlier on, and then cover this up to cook. I know I should have said this earlier on, but I just wanted to use this time to say thank you to all my subscribers, all my returning subscribers, my new subscribers, my potential ones. If you're watching for the first time, thank you so much for being a part of this channel. Yes, you're already a part of this channel. For you being here, it's not by an accident. Please make sure to join the team, okay? Here I'm checking my rice. Yeah, it's not done yet, so I'm just gonna be adding a bit more water in it, okay? Make sure that by the time it is done, you don't need to press it hard for it to to dissolve in your hand. Just press a little bit and it dissolves. That shows you that it is done. Okay, thank you so much, guys, for always commenting, always liking my videos. It is really well appreciated. Okay, thank you. So guys, at this point the rice is coming together. Yes, all you need is to add a bit more water. As you can see here, I'm just opening the bottom part of the pot, and you see it's not burnt. Yeah, I don't like my jollof rice burnt. Thank you so much, guys. So guys, here I'm just gonna go ahead and add my carrots. At this point the rice is almost coming together. Yes, I just add carrots here, the green peas here, my sweet corn, and then at the end I'm gonna add the spring onion, and the rice is done. Just mix all of this together, yeah, and cover the pot. At this point it doesn't need any more heat. You just lower or just off the heat, and then you let the heat that the pot has cook the remaining vegetables. Okay, at this point it is done. Here I'm sprinkling a little bit of the spring onion. Yeah, the rice is done. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my videos. Thank you for being a part of this channel. Like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I'm gonna see you all in my next one. Thank you. Have a blessed week ahead. Bye.